from, where, and RS. Hey you! Yeah you! Stop what you're doing and subscribe to Our Life with Evey.
Smash potatoes, homie.
Oh, I don't like trash in my room.
Oh, Mama's recording. I'm not snacking.
Yes, you are!
Evey said, I don't like trash in my room.
I don't like trash.
We're the parents who come in and make trash in Evie's room instead of Evey coming in our room and making trash.
I don't make trash in y'all's room.
I know, that's what I was saying. Okay, well, what's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Welcome to Our Life with Evey. Today, we've got a few cool things we're going to be doing today. So, we're going to make gingerbread cookies. No, you've never heard of that. It's gingerbread cookies, but ninja form.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we're going to like jump on the trampoline.
Yeah.
And we're going to play outside and make some hot chocolate. Also, we need to make invitations for Evie's birthday party coming up. It's JoJo C. So, yeah, come hang out with us, guys. Y'all are supposed to say something.
We were supposed to say something, Evey.
Yo, make me do this by myself.
This is going to be a funny video.
Guys, look who just woke up.
Don't
Yeah. Beat him up, Evey.
Willoughby's getting me too. Girls.
I can do a backflip. I can do a backflip on you.
Your butt in my face. Willow thinks y'all are crazy. Willow, are you ready to have fun today? Are you ready to have fun? Guys, are y'all ready to go outside now?
Yeah!
Okay, we need to get Willow in
Something warm.
something warm. Something warm for Willow. Alright, crew, we gotta take care of this girl. Let's get her warmed up.
The circle of life. You want her, Evey? Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I don't think
I
so.
don't know. She's chunk butt.
She's got rolls for days, guys. So many rolls.
So many rolls.
See? Look, I'm a big girl. No.
See me rolling.
Oh my goodness, you guys. Daddy, look. Willow, is Sissy holding you?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
You did
Good
it,
job,
Evey. Sissy
Evey.
did it. Oh, guys, I have the cutest outfit to put on Willow. Look at this. It's so cute.
You getting your butt changed. More stinky. I think she wants to eat it.
Evey, your sissy wants you to change her butt.
Okay, I'm gonna change your butt.
Where'd that sissy go?
Guys, she's never changed her butt once. She promised when she was in my belly.
She said, I'll change all dirty diapers. Ain't changed one.
Alright, let's see if this fits, guys. I hope it does, because it's so cute. Oh my goodness! Did y'all see that? That was crazy. The light was flickering. There's a ghost! She's gonna be mad. I'm gonna hurry.
Guys, if you didn't know, I have a rock collection.
Guys, Evey has this awesome rock collection, and she's been wanting to show y'all.
And guys, look, this one looks like Leprechaun Day.
St. Patrick's Day!
And I
And look at this crazy chicken.
Guys, I saw them in real life before.
Oh my gosh, so cute. She's a little Eskimo.
I also have this one.
Oh, that one's looks awesome. We found these around the park, guys. They have a little number on them. They say, tag us on Facebook if you found them. Have y'all found these rocks before?
Then Noah has some very special rocks in there.
Very special rocks, you guys. These have came from all around the world.
Yep.
Alright, guys. Willow's ready. You see her cute little outfit? Oh my goodness.
Oh, she looks adorable.
I want to see her with her little hat. Oh, her's ready to go play outside.
I've recently heard a rumor that every pair of Van shoes lands on their soul. But one of them did.
Ready, set, go. Yeah.
Daddy got all the Vans.
Okay. You know what? Someday
Let's put this to the test, guys.
Yeah. Let's have a party with shoes.
Woo! Every time. Woo! Yeah!
Look, that one lands on top of that.
It works, guys. Go get your shoes and try this if you have Vans. They're always going to land on the sole. All right, guys, we're finally outside. That was a good jump, Evey.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Wait for us.
Let's go on the trampoline. I have to take off my shoes. Take our shoes.
Safety first.
Yeah.
Go, Evey, go.
He's falling off, guys.
What's falling off?
My jacket. He's falling
Zip
off.
it up.
Ah! Okay. Now I'm good.
Do it, Evey, jump. One.
You get
Oh my gosh, she's making it.
Get more back.
Okay. She's gonna jump, guys. She's gonna jump. 1, 2. Woo! You gotta go in 3.
Oh, I know something I love to do.
What do you love to do?
My obstacle course.
Show the people.
I want to do this because
Oh, you guys, yes. This is actually super cool. Evey has a whole obstacle course that she does. Oh, you touched the lava. Evey, floor's lava. You can't touch the lava. She's got it, guys. She said she don't. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes, you beat the lava, Evey. Now you got one more swing. Do you got it? Do you think she got it, guys? Oh, Evey. Remember, that lava's gonna burn you up. She did it! Woo! That's my girl. She's almost there. That lava cannot defeat her. Whoa! Evey! No way! Did you see that? Woo! And she did it! Alright guys, it's time to start the
Are y'all
fire!
ready to light this fire?
Let's get some marshmallows and roast them.
Yeah!
Yeah! Y'all want to roast some marshmallows?
Guys, do you have marshmallows?
We do!
You know what's the best part? Because I know where all the candy is. I found the
Up here.
marshmallows. And maybe we can get some of these.
Alright guys, Daddy made us these really cool sticks.
Marshmallow sticks.
Marshmallow sticks.
And guys,
They should last forever.
we know which one is ours because I have 4, Mama has 4, and how much do you have?
Got 3 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Right.
We just got Willow to sleep. So now me, Evey, and Daddy are gonna go roast some marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Are y'all ready?
Yeah!
Alright, you guys, it's time for the marshies.
Marshies.
Now I'm gonna get mine on first.
Oh, guys, this is gonna be tasty.
Stay. Cheers, vlog.
Cheers.
Cheers, Vlog.
I go first.
Let's all go together.
I love roasting.
It's gonna be delicious.
Look at that gold.
Oh.
Oh, Mama.
Ah!
Mama!
Oh no! Eveys, ours look ugly. We have ugly marshmallows. What is all over mine? I don't think that's edible. You guys, look at this.
Mama!
That's disgusting. Ooh, look at Evey. She's roasting her first marshmallow.
Yeah.
Look at that extra crispy.
Ooh.
La la.
Good?
My friend hot.
Evey said, ooh la la. Ooh, how is it, Evey?
Good.
I want one. I need a good one, guys.
Okay, I got you. I'll roast you.
Roast me up. Whoa. Now that's some roasting, guys. Woo!
There it is.
You guys, thank you.
There's a little black.
It's just a little black.
I didn't know that they caught on fire like that.
My grandpa taught me that it's okay to be a little toasty. This one's for you, Papa. Oh, what the heck? Why'd you get you a good one?
No,
And you give me the whole roasted
I didn't mean
one?
to. I'm trying. Hold on.
Yeah.
I'll take the extra crispy.
Oh, thank you.
You have the perfect crispy.
My baby does that.
Oh,
My baby does that all the time.
Mimi, Evey just called you out.
This is how to do it, viewers. You stick it on, just put it right there in the flame. But don't let it catch on fire.
Put it right in the flame, but don't
Right
let
in
it
the
catch on fire. That's a true
It caught on
skill.
fire. And then that's what happens when it catches on fire.
Was it perfect?
Burley.
Burley.
I got a little bit of a pine needle.
Just a little pine needle won't
Just a
hurt.
little pine needle. That's
Hello,
everyone. Back inside.
We're back in the house, and what are we about to do, Evey?
We're about to make hot chocolate and gingerbread cookies with yeah.
Did you hear her, guys?
Yeah. Yeah.
That was some cool ninja moves.
She said ninja bread cookies. Get her, Mama. Protect the head.
I think somebody needs to get her. Alright guys, let's start with some hot chocolate. We need to make our insides warm.
Yes.
It's cold out there, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is where we keep our hot chocolate, you guys. And it's over here. But guys, I'm pretty sure it's the hot chocolate that has little tiny marshmallows.
Yeah.
So let's see. Hopefully we got some mini marshmallow cones.
Did you know we had a giant bag of pistachios?
Yeah, I did.
Oh my gosh!
Do you like those?
I love it.
Okay, we got more hot chocolate.
Let me see. 100 years of hot
I'm
chocolate.
allergic. Achoo. Big for all three of us.
Alrighty, so we got our hot chocolate. Now,
Can I
woo, here they
I
are.
want my. Yes, I want.
Evey
She wants
Snowman,
all of them.
Daddy
Can
Snowman.
I have my? I want my.
I think we.
Evey, do you want to do the hot chocolate for us?
Yes.
Okay, either do
This is the hot chocolate.
that one.
I gave you this one. I'm gonna be nice and give you that. It's okay. I'll take the regular cup. This is nice. You have all these cups over here, and I really think this one is a good one for today. It says you can do it.
Evey.
Daddy.
A chocolatey chocolate.
Ounces.
I remember the first time. I always hated it. Do you guys remember that episode of SpongeBob? If you like that episode of SpongeBob, give us a thumbs up. voila. I don't really know if I did any stirring, but I tried. I was paying attention.
Guys, let's try it.
Let's try it, guys. Cheers. I wait for Daddy.
Make sure it was extra stirred.
Cheers. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, vlog.
Drink some hot
Cheers,
chocolate
Vloggy.
with us.
That's the good stuff right there.
That is the good stuff. Alright, guys. Are y'all ready to see what gingerbread cookies are? Because I'm ready to show you guys.
Gingerbread.
I'm ready to show you guys this gingerbread.
Mama's been talking about all
I've been talking about it forever. You guys, the reason I still have this gingerbread is because last year we got it and I thought it was like already made ninjas. And I thought I was just going to put them in the oven and bake them. But I realized that it was like, no, I had to actually make these myself. And I was so hungry, I was like, okay, no, nothing I have to make myself. I need like some already made stuff. But, here's the gingerbread. Look, guys. Isn't that so cute?
Yeah.
Gingerbread. Yes. This is gonna be so fun, guys. Alright, let's make gingerbread cookies. Alright, you guys, we got all the tools and supplies to make our gingerbread cookies. Yeah.
Now I'm gonna open this, Mama.
Alright. What's first, you guys? It says preheat the oven. Daddy, get on the preheating at 350.
Guys. Guys, look at this one.
Okay.
What am I preheating?
To 350.
Guys, look, these ones are cooking.
Those are awesome. Look.
You're not supposed to show him the chair.
3, 2, 1.
Or she's like,
Yeah. Wow. Find ninjas up in here.
this gingerbread got us
Mama,
ninja school.
guys, never do this at home.
Never do this
Never
at
do it.
home.
At home.
Okay, guys. Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Next, combine the cookie mix.
Cookie mix.
Room temperature butter, honey, and water.
Do we have
Okay.
honey? Where's honey?
Okay, this is the powder.
How tired?
We need to open it up.
Contains wheat.
Do we put it in this bowl or this
Contains
bowl?
wheat.
I think that bowl. I'm gonna get some scissors.
Ah.
I'll get the scissors.
Whoa, no.
What's your fingers?
Oh!
I'm sorry.
Oh, well, you
We're gonna figure that out.
guys. There we go. We're not gonna let that stop us, guys. We are making cookies. Oh my
This
goodness.
thing is very free.
Ginger dust.
No, this is emergency. Mama, can you use that again?
Gingerbread dirt.
Oh, it's gingerbread dirt.
All right, you guys.
Gingerbread dust.
Get it over me. I'll get it over you.
You already got it over me once. What's next? Oh.
We need 2 tablespoons of butter.
Tablespoon.
2 of
Done.
those. You got it? Okay. Next is 1/4 cup of butter. So this full of
What?
butter. Wait, no, I meant honey.
Are you
I heard the
Yes.
honey.
Okay.
Look at that. Honey. Straight from a beehive.
We extracted this from our beehive this morning.
Yeah, Daddy went out there and he put on his suit and he got it from the beehive. All right, pour it on in there, girl. Ooh. Alrighty, you guys.
I want to feel it. Ooh, that's
The
very
gingerbread is ready to be rolled out.
cold.
And And then we get these cookie cutters, and then we make the ninjas, and then we bake them, and then we decorate them. Yes, roll and cut and bake. We're gonna roll it. We need a roller. Do we have a roller? Evey, I know we used to have one. Alright guys, let's try to find this blue roller.
We need a blue.
Honestly, I just don't have any hope in finding this because I know where everything in the house is. And I haven't seen it in forever. Evey, last time I remember seeing it in your bedroom because it was with your play stuff.
I don't remember any of that. We have a heart.
That's okay. Daddy's got it going on. We're gonna figure it out. We don't need that roller. We got our hands. We'll use our arms as rollers. I'll just roll my arm over it. Alright guys, so if you don't have a roller,
Get a hot chocolate.
yeah, then you just karate chop it. Alrighty guys.
You want to
Now
make it
for
about
our
as flat
first.
as these.
Is this one a kick one?
Yeah.
This one's a kicking ninja bread. Dun, 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 dun. Ninja. Get it, Daddy? Alright guys, our ninja bread men are ready to go into the oven and then we get to decorate them. Put these cool little buttons on them. Say, hey guys, I just woke up and I'm about to make ninja bread cookies with the family. Hey you guys, do y'all want to see Willow's favorite toy? She gets so excited, guys. Whoa! Freeze challenge!
Give me on your shoulder.
Whoa!
I need all this silly.
Oh, hey guys! Me and Willow are just down here.
You look like a little
Daddy's
ant
here.
down there. Oh, and we have another trick, guys. We have another trick.
So many tricks today. Alright, I'm gonna record some over here.
I got a ball. That's it.
Are you with him? Spin around, Evey. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, Willow! Ooh, Willoughby! Hi, baby!
We're attending a Vivo concert.
That's how we do it, yeah.
Okay, so somebody needs to go get the gingerbread cookies because I heard a beat. By the way, guys, this has been cooling down for a little bit.
Evey's got super heat strength.
Guys, look how amazing our ninja bread turned out. Okay, guys, so we completely failed
Ruined the
at
icing.
icing. So, you know what? That's okay. Okay, guys. That's okay. We didn't need icing because we got whipped cream. And now we're going to make these awesome faces on our gingerbread man.
It turned so good. It turned out so good.
They did. Look at us. We did a great job. They're all decorated. And now that we spent all of our time making these beautiful gingerbreads, now we're gonna crush them with our teeth in our mouth and make them disappear. Like we didn't just spend all that time.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Okay, guys. It's time to dig in. We have a ninja fight.
Super good.
I think we're gonna have a little ninja challenge. Dang!
There's not gonna be anything left.
Alright, Daddy. It's Daddy's turn.
Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Yeah, you wanna go again? That's pretty fun, guys.
Nice! Yeah!
She did it! I couldn't! That's
This is a roundhouse kick.
Oh!
Woo! She's practicing for the slap competition. Dang! Oh, watch out, Evey. Watch out.
Slap it! Slap it! Oh! Now that was a slap!
Gosh.
Pretty fun, huh?
Got it, Evey.
Okay.
Yeah!
Yeah!
That's crazy. Oh.
I have to say, Evey wins at the kicking. Evey won the kick contest. Was that practice round?
I just slipped on my toe.
Alright guys, we are done with the ninja bread cookies. And now we need to get Evie's invitation sent out for her birthday party. If you remember at the beginning of the video, I told you guys we needed to make invitations. And we need to do that. So if you guys want to see us make Evie's birthday invitation, which you guys are invited to, December 3rd. Wow! Stay and watch our video. What? Woo!
All the way upside down, right?
Oh my God! I was not paying attention. No, I'm not doing that. That's scary.
It was so easy.
Guys, that was terrifying. I wasn't even paying attention, and she did a backflip.
Again.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
And here's the front. We got 2 from Wear and RSVP.
Guys, look at the cute back.
Oh my goodness!
I love it.
That's
It's
so cute. Evie, do you love your invitations?
Yeah.
And we got the first invitation.
That was to Evey.
Now for Ava. We're gonna put her name right there. Good job. Ava! Okay guys, so here's the process. Evie's gonna write the name, I'm gonna do the address, and then Daddy's gonna put it in the envelope for us. And Evie's gonna seal it with a sticker. But you can't see the address, guys.
Don't look at it.
Perfect.
I'm excited.
So we got the second one made. Shout out Mimi. Evie got you. Now, Granny, I know you're watching this. This is for you. Okay, on 3, guys. We got this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching
our Ninja Bread video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.
Yeah!
Come on, guys, come show.
Ninja
ninja bread.